Potentially explosive confrontation looms at Rainbow Hotel in Bulawayo on 25 July 2025 as ZANU-PF Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is said to be guest of honor at a business dinner organized by figures linked to the Zvigananda faction led by businessman kuda kwachitakurei. Sanapenda mashoko anobuda nyogwa panapa zvizere kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina muna mobuda nyogwa mchinzi Chiwenga has been a vocal critic of the Zvigananda group, accusing them of corruption and political manipulation. The event hosted by Fania Musavengana, President of Young Women in Business, and Keresia Dangwaira, National Chairperson of Hairdressers in Zimbabwe, has raised eyebrows given Musavengana's previous involvement in the leading anti-Chiwenga chants at the National Heroes Acre. Sources within ZANU-PF see Chiwenga faction claim the dinner may be a deliberate ploy to embrace the Chiwenga, given that key speakers, including ICT Minister Mavetera, Tagurei, and other non-Chiwenga critics, are on the program. Political analysts question whether Chiwenga will even attend, knowing the organizers and attendees largely oppose him. The timing, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m., has also sparked security concerns among his allies, who fear the late-hour engagement with adversaries. The Zvigananda faction, which backs President Emerson Mnangagwa's 2030 re-election bid, sees Chiwenga as a threat to their political agenda. However, some analysts suggest this event could be a strategic retreat that agrees can possibly seeking reconciliation as Chiwenga's presidential prospects grow stronger. Members of mnangagwa's camp have condemned the event, accusing Musavengana and Dangwaira of betraying for inviting Chiwenga instead of Mnangagwa or his deputy, Kembo Mohadi. Mr. Tafara Gumbo, a Mnangagwa loyalist, blasted the organizers. Musavengana and Dangwaira are now fighting Mnangagwa. This is suicidal. How can they invite Chiwenga, the same man who humiliated Tagurei by expelling him from the Central Committee? Tagurei is now laughing stock. The key questions ahead of the event are: will the Zvigananda faction have the courage to share a room with Chiwenga? Will Chiwenga use his speech to attack his opponents? And could the Zvigananda faction disrupt the event or openly challenge Chiwenga? As tensions rise, all eyes are on Rainbow Hotel. Will this be a clash of titans or an unexpected political truce? Domashwa arivo panguva ine ari kunokwanisa pari kutiridza panguva ine pane masecurity concerns, panguva ine panyasoratidza kuti this event kana kuri kuti general vachaiatenda vachapisa. Ndinakomesa section medu dzemafuro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.